Hi everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to pair your Audio Pro C20 speaker with your iOS device. Let's get started. At first we have to power up our device. Now we have to go to our control panel, hold our finger on Bluetooth settings. Now we have to click our source button and go to Bluetooth. We have to click 5 times. Now we have to click Bluetooth, this one over there, and as you can see now our device appeared. We have to click on it, and now we are paired. That's it for today. Hope it helps. Goodbye.